Welcome to the ultimate guide to mastering guitar, a beginner's journey. In this comprehensive video, we will embark on the exciting voyage towards guitar mastery. So whether you're an aspiring musician or a complete novice, this beginner's guide will equip you with the essential knowledge and steps needed to conquer the guitar. The goal of this video is to talk about the 8 fundamental steps you need to consider when you're starting your journey on the guitar. Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Jeff Davis. I'm a 35-year guitar instructor holding a degree in education and also classical guitar performance, and I'm excited to teach you today, and I have a great lesson planned. Let's get going. Step 1, choosing the right guitar. The first question you need to ask yourself is what style of music you are interested in learning. Are you interested in rock, folk, blues, country? Well, if you're interested in rock or blues, then you'd be better off getting an electric guitar. And if you're interested in folk or country, then an acoustic guitar is a better choice. Just know that an electric guitar is a bit more of an investment since you will need the amplifier to go along with it. Regardless of the style, make sure that the guitar is playable and in great shape. Step 2, learning the basic anatomy of the guitar. Now, understanding the parts of the guitar is very important. After all, if you don't have a proper vocabulary, it would be very hard to know where to place your hands or even talk about guitar with your friends. Therefore, one of the first things you need to do is to learn the names of the different parts of the guitar so you can follow video lessons like these more accurately. Step 3, learn how to tune your guitar. Now, learning to tune the guitar is extremely important. Without being properly tuned, it's impossible for your guitar to even sound the way it should, even when it's played correctly. Tuning your guitar ensures that the strings of your instrument will be set at the right pitches to make the chords sound correct, and scales and riffs. I would recommend that you buy an electric tuner for your guitar to get going, but more importantly, you need to learn how to tune the guitar by ear. Be sure to check out my video, Mastering Tuning, a step-by-step guide to tuning your guitar by ear, and learn how to tune your guitar by using the relative tuning method. Step 4, learn basic chords. Now, new guitarists want to learn to play songs as quickly as possible, and chords are the easiest way to get there. The beginning chords that you will be working with are called open position chords. All in all, there are about 12 of these chords, and you will need to be comfortable playing and strumming, switching from one chord to the other. If you want to get into learning chords quickly, be sure to check out my video, Guitar Mastery. Learn 10 easy common chords in 4 minutes, where you can practice the 10 most important chords you need to get going on the guitar. Step 5, learn to read music. Now, learning to read music, in the beginning, guitarists learn to read tablature. Tablature is a quick and easy way of getting you into notation on the guitar and will get you into your favorite songs very quickly. Now, it's important to learn to read standard notation, but standard notation is a much more specific form of music notation. It takes time to learn. If you need a quick explanation of tablature, be sure to check out my video on understanding how to read guitar tablature in 1 minute. Step 6, practice daily warm-up exercises and scales. So looking back at thousands of hours of practice, it was the daily repetition of scales and warm-ups that helped me the most. A good warm-up routine is a great way of calming the mind and settling you into your practicing sessions. I have an excellent routine that has proven to be very effective in a video called Unveiling the Power of Alternate Picking. Be sure to check this video out for a great daily routine. Step 7, building your repertoire. A repertoire consists of a set of songs that are your go-to songs. Having songs printed with chords and lyrics on the same page will help you memorize songs. I recommend that you keep a specific binder with songs that you are learning, as well as a goal list of the songs you'd eventually like to learn. This list of songs best represents you and why you're passionate about the guitar, and more than likely represents why you started playing guitar in the first place. Some benefits of building a repertoire are: lets you build the skill of playing songs by heart, it gives you a great amount of confidence as you see your list grow, and it sets the stage for you to get ready to perform in front of an audience. How cool is that? Step number 8, seeking professional guidance. Get a one-on-one coach, start taking lessons, and yes, you can take lessons from me. I'm available for that. This creates accountability and helps you save a lot of time by getting advice from a professional who has been teaching for a very long time. Also, don't forget this channel as a resource, as I post lessons weekly. Alright, now remember that mastering the guitar does take time and dedication. Practicing regularly, setting goals, and staying motivated is important. So don't forget to subscribe and like this channel. Ask me questions in the comment sections and let me know what you need help with in your playing. Now, teaching is my passion, and connecting you with students like yourself is what makes it all worth the effort. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next lesson.